guy.
Malaysia, this is Gerryko here. Today is the 12th of March 2017. It's a Sunday. It's 8:50 AM. I'm at the Central Market of Kuala Lumpur, or Pasar Seni, art market. I had to pay 2 ringgit for a motorcycle parking there. I was pretty late. It's supposed to be 8:30. Darling Street is, or Chinatown is, I think, around here. Just there.
Don't keep your camera during rain. Nobody gonna rain, so the photographer keep your camera. Jangan. Because the rain, when during the, it's very nice to shoot for the street. Some of them they're using the umbrella. They're using the umbrella. One umbrella. That's why you need a small camera. Using the A99, one umbrella, one A99.
So bright.
Just nice. One umbrella, you should one simple camera. But normally it's very difficult. Speed. How is the balance between the dark space and white? How do you balance? Sometimes when the normal, when you focus and you try to reflect the dark, give you balance.
So there's a gadget try on, so no need to use the battery of my camcorder, because today many activities. I have to go to One Utama for the Yamaha piano recital. Then there's a figure collection at Jalan Sultan Ismail near Pavilion. Then of course Supermodel International at the Galaxy Banquet Hall at AVCHD Convention Center. There will be a few hours, so I'm going to keep all my videos, I mean the battery long lasting. But I got a charger, so One Utama can charge, right? Hopefully. So I'm going to try some new cameras, definitely. So now I'm back to JVC camera. Now we're walking back to Central Market there, where my bike is parked. 2 ringgit for the fees. Not as good as previously. That one is 50 frames per second, or 50p. This one is I think 25p. Oh yeah, Petaling Street should be somewhere there, I think. So we added Eileen, June, Eddie and Maureen into the group. And of course the Malay guy, I'm not sure what's his name, no idea. Excuse me. Oh, I can buy this. That one's a selfie stick. Oh, one is a very long stick. My camcorder. Instead of the tripod. Here's a monopod. Hey. about. Masjid Jami should be that one. Oh, quite far away. Walk. Yep, I think I know how to get there. We'll backtrack to this place here. It's 10 minutes past 11. Remember standing on this here just to shoot the birthday. Oh shit! Oh my god, I left my SD card inside the damn thing. Oh my god, thank god I remember. Better ask the damn give SD card back to me. Regis Mansion. Ah, my wife. I think no. She can be my wife. I don't know. I do not know her. Damn, you walk so fast. Wabba. Mr. Dan, wait for me. Thank God it's not going to rain today. I had to buy me a 64K capable class 10 U3 camera so I can shoot 4K videos, because I wasn't able to go into the higher setting for that Alpha S7 II camera. I think it's a mirrorless camera, digital mirrorless camera. So that's about it. I think it's where I pissed. here, based in the Portaloo. We're nearing the destination already. Wow, so hard to actually catch up to that. I'm hungry too. What's there to eat in One Utama? No idea. This is where the guys hang out. I think this is where the immigrants come to look for work. I think seems like. Oh, food. Okay, they are dancing food. I'm sure a lot of immigrants here. Oh God, don't go. I need my SD card back. I'm almost catching up. Almost there. Oh, are we there yet? Hey, Dan! 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 Can't hear me. Dan! Is that the Central Market? Okay. Thanks, man. Oh, I forgot to take the SD card. I'm sorry about that. Thanks, Sony. A lot of activities. Has it always been like this? Sony giving all these events.
Yeah.
Always been like this.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good, Sony.
But it's best that you get a alpha because actually this workshop we only open for alpha users.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because you need to pre-register first for a spot because this one like outdoor okay. Sometimes those indoors one you have to register because the spaces sometimes are limited.
Yeah. I understand.
Because we need to give priority to our alpha user first.
Yeah, I know, but I'm also like telling people that this is the video quality of your Alpha S7, so it's also advertising. It's so good. But the camcorder one, I'm very interested in buying the AX40. So that's about it. Central Market is here. Bye bye.